So what was that? 2 minutes to drive out all the car park, and now we're here at the LEGOLAND Castle Hotel.
5-star.
Yeah, it's 5-star. It's a treat. Oh, look at the little playgrounds outside. So cute. Something's just started making a noise. He went, oh yay! Oh, I love all the sound effects. Listen. It's stopped now. I was making a baying noise. Don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! Oh, don't attack me with your sword.
That's a horn, boy.
Oh, oh, it's a horn. Oh, she's trumpeting. It's a trumpet. Oh. I think my mum's a bit fed up of waiting for us. Wow. How cool is this? Oh, it's somewhere to buy drinks. Jolly good. And crisps. Massive restaurant for dinner. Apparently he's died. Are you going to come open the door? I've got so many things in my hands. Come and get the car from me.
Oh, I'm just old.
Look at these lights. Aren't they cool? Jamie, the door is right here.
Oh yeah, the door's right there.
Well, you need to take the card out of my hand.
Alright. Boom. Boom. Okay. Drum roll. That's the worst drum roll in the world. Oh, I'm struggling as well. Hello.
After some figuring out, apparently you put your card in there. Okay.
Took a while.
Right, so this is our
Bedroom.
Wizard Superior Suite. Just for the two of us. And we have bunks for 4 children.
Seem to have a question on the wall. How many gems can you find? I'm guessing that's on the picture.
I'm guessing so. You've got your little TV.
And I've got a box, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. It's
Lego.
Okay.
So we've got Lego to
And
play with. Oh,
for your Lego,
yes.
a base plate.
Base plate. I want you to make me something amazing.
You think?
Echo. It's so big in here, it's echoing.
Yeah. Ooh, Lego.
Oh, yeah.
Lego. We'll leave the bathroom for later. The mysteries of the bathrooms later.
Okay. We've got an ironing board. Not many hangers, but that's all right. We're only here for one night.
The iron.
Oh no, we're here for 2 nights.
Where actually is the
Maybe you
iron?
have to. Oh, we have got a little fridge.
Has it got anything in it though?
I doubt it.
My question.
I think you open it the other side.
Now you tell me.
No, but
No.
I can buy some drinks to put it in, and I've spotted the iron.
Nice.
Is it clean?
Unfolded clean.
There's the iron.
That was a bit hard.
A few glasses.
Why couldn't you just put it down?
Right. Oh, wow.
Okay. Lego dragon.
Look at this.
You got to find a red flame torch for me. Apparently.
Red flame torch.
Got to find it somewhere. Can you see it?
No. Oh,
Nice view.
good view.
You've got TV as well.
Oh, the pillows are like French pillows, small ones.
Right.
I love the dragon. Wow.
So we have 2 different ones. We have please make up my room, do not disturb, and no thank you, no cleaning today.
Okay,
Please.
that's exciting. Are you going to show me the
Just wondering
bathroom?
why. Just wondering
You can
why.
actually share this bed with me if you want.
No, I'm alright.
It's huge. Look, there's two duvets on it.
I'm totally fine. I like bunk beds.
You like bunk beds?
Oh, some people. Hello, people.
If you're happy, you're happy.
Right, now the mysteries of the bathroom shall be revealed. Dun, dun, dun. From what I can see, there's a shower.
Oh, it's a walk-in shower.
So,
Oh, we appear to have an accessible toilet. That's for disabled people.
Is that to...
That's for disabled. No, it's for disabled people. And then we have a wet room, which is dripping.
Yeah, useful.
So no bath.
No, no bath.
You're having a shower tonight then.
But
Oh, yeah. And a sword on the wall.
lots of towels.
Yes, lots of towels. Fancy having a wet room. It's a good obstacle course. Oh, it's got loads to it.